Okay, here we go. All right, so fortunately, what y'all didn't get the video on yesterday, it's pretty simple. So we'll be able to go over it pretty quick. And then the stuff that we're doing today is also pretty simple. So we'll be able to go over it pretty quick, okay? So to find the area of a trapezoid, okay, first of all, let me back up a second. So on a trapezoid, we call the two parallel sides base 1 and base 2. And it doesn't matter which one is base 1 and which one is base 2. They're two bases. And so to find the area of this trapezoid, you do base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. That gets the average size of the base. And then you multiply that by whatever the height is. So on this problem right here, we would have 15 plus 6 divided by 2. And then whatever that is, we multiply that by 10, and that gets the area of that trapezoid. What'd you get? 105. So that's the area of the trapezoid. And that's all there is to that. So like if you look at number 3, we have a trapezoid. It's turned sideways, but it's still a trapezoid. So to find the area of this trapezoid, we would do base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. And then we're going to multiply that by 11. That's the height. So 15 plus 7.5, somehow my point disappeared, divided by 2 times 11. What'd you get, Zaylee?
123.75.
And that's our area. If you look at number 6, so a base 1 plus base 2, so 29 plus 9.5 divided by 2 times our height, which is 23. And that's all you have to do. That's it for that one. Now we're going to talk about the other one. It is also real simple. So what did we get for this one?
442.7.
Okay. Now, diamonds, lost my mind. Rhombi and cuts. So rhombi and cuts, to find their area, one of the methods that you can use is to multiply their two diagonals and then divide by 2. So like if you look at number 2, it's a kite, right? So if we want to figure out what the area is, see how they're telling us that it's 14 long, that means this diagonal is 14. It's telling it's 12 wide, that means that diagonal is 12. So all we have to do is 14 times 12 divided by 2. And that gets us the area of that shape. $84. So that's our area. On number 4, now on number 4, they try to trick you. See how they have that 5 right there? That 5 is not for the whole thing. It's just for this side. But what do we know about this side? It's exactly the same. So they're both 5. So it means what's the whole thing there? It's 10. So what's the whole diagonal this way? It's 16 because these are both 8, right? So to find our area, we would do 10 times 16 and divide by 2. And Zaylee said it's 80. Okay, so number 5. We have a kite, right? So we're going to do 16 times 4, divide by 2. Y'all see how simple that is? Okay, so for this assignment right here, we're not going to do the bottom part just because y'all are behind now, because I thought y'all had done this yesterday. So on the back side, I just want you to do 1 through 6. Okay, so just 1 through 6. You already have you have your work showing and everything? Awesome, buddy. So you will take a picture of that, post it online on Google Classroom. All right. 1 through 6. Now let's go ahead and do 11-3. I don't think I grabbed an 11-3, did I? I did not. Okay, so on 11-3, we're talking about areas of circles and then sectors. And we'll get to the sector part in just a minute. But let's talk about the area of circles first. So to find the area of a circle, we've already talked about this pattern. What's the word, doll? Yeah, but I'm looking for, oh, hang on just a second. Let me end this video and start a new one. So, in stream.